What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we may have something that your messy husband or your messy wife might need in their car. And this is a car seat hook. Okay, so basically you can use this hook, put it on your car seat, and you can use it for trash, or you can use it to hang your purse. You can hang your bags, whatever you need to hang. Even the umbrella, you may need to hang your umbrella. You could put it on the hanger right here, just in case you don't have a hanger on the top part of your car. So let's go ahead and get into it. Now this is a 2 sets, open bag, the hooks. Okay, you guys, so the hooks look like a pretty decent size. Show y'all this real quick. There's a few ways you can do this. You can lift your headrest all the way up, put the hook in, put this hook in. There you go, you have 2 hooks, and that's it. Simple as that. If you have trash bags, I know everybody has like 1,000 Walmart bags, right? You can use them for trash bags in your car, and yeah, you can use that as a trash bag. The straps can hold up to 100 pounds for one. This is about, I don't know, feel like 15 to 20 pounds. 2 bag is holding, nothing's happening. Now if I want to use both hooks, I can also use both hooks. I can just slide this hook over here, I can slide that hook over there, and I can use both hooks, and it is very organized. So if you're like a little mechanic, you don't really have like a truck or something, and this will be cool to have around. This is adjustable, okay? So if you want to extend it, you can extend it, and if you want to shorten it, you can shorten it, but right now I'm extending it. So that one is obviously longer than this one. All right, so if you want to shorten it, you come down and you can shorten it. If you want to extend it, you pull it up and it extends further down. Okay, you guys, and let's say you're in a situation where your headrests don't come off. Okay, you can use your little hook right here, and you can just wrap it around, put the loop inside, tie that around, and there you go. So you can also use it like that if your headrest don't come down. Just another cool way to do this. All right, you guys, and another way, if you want to put this on like a shopping cart, or if you want to use it for like a baby carriage or something like that, something where there's like a pole that you need to put it through, you can give up a little bit more slack on this, right? And you can actually just slide this part into the pipe or wherever you need it to hang, so it will be hanging just like that. If you carry a purse or a little bag or something, and let's say you just want it on the front seat, so all you have to do is just put it the opposite direction and let it hang on the front seat if you don't want everything to hang on the back. All right, you guys, so that is the end with these 2 straps. I think it's a great price, you know, 2 of them for 13 bucks, and you can basically use it as trash bag holders or umbrella holders, purse holder, grocery holder, whatever you need it for. You basically have no limit, and it keeps your car organized. And that will be all. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.